So let's just talk about component did update method in React. So this is a React lifecycle method, and this method is called immediately after one update occurs. And this can be due to the change in props or the change in state of the component. So this method can be used to perform network request whenever there is any change in the prop or the state. And also it can be used to update the DOM, and also it can trigger some animation or some side effects whenever the component re-renders. This component did update method takes three parameters. It takes the previous prop, it takes previous state, and one optional snapshot. So as the name suggests, so this is the prop before the update, this is the state before the update, and the snapshot is the value that is returned by the method getSnapshot before update. So here we have one counter component which has one state as count, and on click of this button it increases the value of that state by 1. So if we click on this button, you can see the value of the count is increasing. Now we can use the method componentDidUpdate, and this method will only trigger after the update. So whenever the state changes, only then the code we write inside this method will be executed. And this method takes parameter like previous prop and previous state. So let's now do one console log inside that method componentUpdated. So whenever there is a change in the state and whenever the component re-renders, in that case this method will be triggered and we'll get to see this on the console. So let's now see that initially this method does not trigger, but whenever we change the state, so if we increase the state, in that case you can see, so whenever we have some change in the state or the component updates, in that case the method is triggered. So this method is not called initially, this is called only once whenever there is an update or change in the state. And also we have to be cautious whenever we try to set the state inside this method, because if we do it incorrectly, in that case this can lead to infinite loop. And also we can achieve the same thing inside one functional component by using the useEffect hook. So we can use the useEffect hook with one dependency array, and we're gonna have the same function like this method. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.